Want to disable 5G on your Straight Talk phone and switch to LTE? There are several reasons to do this. 5G, while fast, can drain your battery quicker. In areas with weak 5G coverage, forcing LTE can provide a more stable connection. Here's how to disable 5G on Android phones like Samsung or Motorola. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, select Mobile Network, choose Preferred Network Type, and select LTE or 4G. On iPhones, there isn't a direct toggle. You might need to contact Straight Talk support for a SIM swap to an LTE-only plan or an APN change. As of mid-2025, Straight Talk updated its app to include a network mode selector for Android phones, making this easier. However, fully disabling 5G may require a carrier APN change, which Straight Talk's customer service can help with via chat or phone. Switching to LTE means slower speeds, typically 550 Mbps compared to 5G's 100 to 1000 Mbps. However, for basic tasks, LTE is often sufficient. While Straight Talk doesn't have dedicated LTE plans anymore, you can manually set your phone to prefer LTE. Keep in mind that 5G adoption is growing. Future phones will have better battery optimization for 5G, potentially reducing the need for manual toggles. Also, be aware that in overloaded urban areas on some carriers, forcing LTE might lead to signal loss or dropped calls. As of 2025, a Consumer Report study found that disabling 5G extends battery life by an average of 25% on Straight Talk phones. Always weigh the speed trade-off against your battery needs and coverage situation. For up-to-date guides, you should always verify with current sources and include disclaimers about potential service changes.